If you can't pay your mortgage, the fear isn't just missing the payment. The fear is wondering whether foreclosure has already started and whether you're already behind in ways that you don't even understand yet. Because foreclosure doesn't announce itself all at once. It goes quietly in steps, and some of those steps happen long before anyone uses the word foreclosure. By the time most homeowners realize which step they're actually in, they're no longer deciding, they're reacting. And that's when foreclosure starts feeling inevitable. There is a point where this becomes much harder to stop. And most people don't realize that they're crossed it until after the damage is done. So why are we talking about this? Because after the first missed payment, the loan is late. A late fee shows up, the account status changes, calls and letters begin. This is usually when panic starts. And most people think, okay, this has just started. Or worse, this is a foreclosure. But at this stage, foreclosure is still avoidable. There's no court case, no legal filing, no foreclosure process yet. What you're dealing with here is pressure, not foreclosure. This stage still gives you room to slow down, understand what's really happening, and avoid making rushed decisions based on fear. After 2 missed payments, foreclosure is still avoidable. There's still no court filing, no official foreclosure case. What has changed is how closely the loan is being watched. This is the stage where waiting without clarity starts to cost you. And it's not because the house is gone. It's because fewer mistakes get overlooked at this stage. And at this point, foreclosure is still not inevitable. But believing that it is can push people into silence or avoidance or making bad decisions. After the 3rd missed payment, the situation changes again. The loan is now seriously delinquent. Notices look more formal and deadlines start appearing. And the language changes also. This is where most homeowners say, okay, now I'm definitely in foreclosure. And this is where clarity will matter most, because at this stage, foreclosure still isn't decided, but the margin for error is much smaller. This is where guessing or delaying or hoping that things resolve on their own starts doing real damage. So where does it become really dangerous? After the 3rd missed payment. The danger isn't what you missed. The danger is what you do next, because your actions now will carry more weight than ever before. Delays matter, silence matter, and guessing matters. Mail piles up, calls feels constant, decision gets put off because everything feels urgent at once. And while that's happening, the process keeps moving forward from the bank end. This is where homeowners lose ground. And it's not because you gave up. It's really because you just didn't know which moments mattered the most. Because at this stage, foreclosure starts to feel unavoidable, even though there may still be room to change direction. Here's the clear understanding. After missed payments, 1 and 2, foreclosure is still avoidable. And after the 3rd missed payment, it becomes very easy to lose control through delay, confusion, or even inaction. There is a point where this stops being internal and becomes a legal process. This is when the lender is filing in court. And that's where the next video picks up. So let's watch it together.